everyone, I am Akanksha. Welcome to the Falke Infotech. Today we are studying how to create an enterprise structure in a MM. First, we all have to know what is enterprise structure in a material management. Before starting video, click on a share button, like our channel and subscribe, and click on a bell icon. Today we are studying how to create an enterprise structure in a material management. So this is our SAP offline software ECC 6.0. So let's start to create an enterprise structure. First we have to enter here a path SPRO. SPRO means a SAP Project Reference Object. Then we have to click a SAP reference image. After clicking that, we have to enter an enterprise structure here. In the enterprise structure, we have to click on the definition. In definition, we have to click on financial accounting. In this, we are creating a company. By creating a company, we identify the company name. Here is the screen of define company. So enter in a new entry and enter which company you want to create here. So I will create here a 6565 and I will give my company name Vivo. After that we have to enter here all data related to our company. After filling all data, this is your save option, or else you can save it Ctrl+S. So this is our company is created, Vivo. After that we have to create a company code. So we have to go in edit copy delete check company code option. So click on edit copy delete check company code. Here is the option of copy delete check company code. After that we have to copy here company, in which company we have to create a company code. The company code means a different company have a different codes. Okay, here is our company copied. From company code we have to enter here standard from company code 1000 and to company code we have to create here which company we want to create. I will take it here 6161 my company code. Enter. Yes. I will enter here our currency. Enter. We have to enter here until the company code created. So we have to click here on a cross. After that we have to click on a copy icon. Here is our company code created. After creating company code, go to the edit company code data option. Here is the edit copy delete check company code option. Click on the position, enter our company code. Click on the company code and edit our company data here. Go to the address bar. And fill here our company data. After filling all data, save the document with the Ctrl S or the save option. Here we created a company and a company code in a financial accounting. After creating a company and a company code, we have to create a plant. For creating a plant, we have to go to Logistic General. In Logistic General, we have to click on a define copy delete check plant. Double click on the define copy delete company code. So whenever we create a plant, first we click on the copy delete check plant option, and after that we have to create a plant. Here we have to copy okay. Here we copied our company. Plant means small factories, for example small factories, industries in our company. So we have to click here from company standard 1000 and to plant, which plant we want to create in our company.